Hey you guys, welcome to our channel. This is Michael from Antminer. Recently, some customer is asking me how to replace their S19 Pro's power supply. So today, Michael will show you how to replace it. So then you can replace it by yourself. You just need our accessories. And also, we also have the control board for the mining machines. All is original factory produced. So let's go to the downstairs. I will show you. We start by unscrewed. Then we can removing the hood and unplug this cable. From this track, we can then slip it out the old power supply. Now we can slip in the new one. Then we can keep mounting screwed and replug the cable and recover the hood. Then we are finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can follow our channel. See you next time. Bye.